We're going to be doing a Assent Platinum Mastercard Secured Credit Card Review 2025. Now, this card is designed for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit. It's issued by Synovus Bank. This card comes with both advantages and drawbacks. I'm going to break down everything, right? The key details to help you decide whether it's the right option for you. Now, the pros, lower than average APR. With a 15.99% variable APR, this is lower than the national average for secured card. Also has a 0%, intro on APR purchases, right? So new cardholders get 6 months of 0% APR on purchases, and it also reports to major credit bureaus. It helps build credit when used responsibly, okay? And also accepts applicants with even, credit scores as low as 300. So even if you have poor credit, do not worry, they'll accept you. And it also comes with fraud liability protection, identity theft protection, And there are some cons, I would say. The annual fee, $49, not the cheapest secured card on the market. No rewards program. You will not earn cash back or points. And foreign transaction fees, charges up to 3% per international transaction. There's also no balance to transfer intro offer. Okay, the regular 15.99% APR applies and also requires a security deposit. Okay, so the secured card, a refundable deposit is needed to set your credit limit. Now, who should consider this card? I would say go for it if you have a bad credit or no credit and you want to build your score. Rebuild it, right? Go ahead and do that. And if you want to plan to make purchases within the 0% intro APR period to avoid interest, or if you don't travel internationally or you just don't need rewards, okay, go ahead and do that. So I would say as a final verdict, it is a solid option for those focused on credit building rather than rewards. While it has low APR, compared to other secured cards, the annual fee and foreign transaction fee might be deal breakers for some. So if you're looking to go for a secured card, no annual fee or rewards, you might want to explore other options. But otherwise, this card would be the one for you, okay? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this review was of value to you, and if it was, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.